So in today's video, I've got a really easy project for you. I'm going to show you how to paint this colorful watercolor dragon fruit illustration. This time I'm using the Backrun paper texture to get this watercolor effect. And for the brushes, I'm just using the ones in the regular watercolor kit. I've already got a sketch and a color palette, and you can download this for free in the description. And to start painting, I'm just going to use the abstract round brush, and I'll do a long press so I can grab this purple color. And at a pretty large size for this brush, I'm just going to fill out an oval for the one on the left side here, and then a little semicircle for the one down here in the foreground. And I'll fix this overlapping issue in a minute. For now, I'm going to use the same brush, same color, but a little bit of a smaller size, and I'm going to do all these leaves on the sides. Next, I'm going to grab the eraser brush, set to the fine liner pen, and I'm going to use it to clean up this overlapping issue. Now, while I've still got the eraser selected, I'm going to use it to erase a little triangle shape here on the point of each of the leaves here on the body of the dragon fruit. That's because in a minute I'm going to add some color. And next, I'm going to grab this green tone here. I'll switch back to the abstract round, but at a slightly kind of smaller size here, and I'm going to add some green to the ends of each leaf. And I think while I've got the green selected, I'll do these ones up here too. Next, I'm going to grab this yellow color, and I'm going to use the abstract round again to add a little bit of yellow just wherever the green meets the purple. And at this point, I don't need the sketch anymore, so I'm going to switch it off. And I'm going to switch to the water blender brush, the one at the very bottom here. And I'm going to go through this whole painting here, changing the size a couple of times, and just blend it so that the green gently fades into the yellow and then into the purple. And while I've still got the water blender selected, I'm going to use it to smooth out a couple of these overlapping purple strokes. Now there's supposed to be 3 distinct pieces here, but wherever the purple is sort of touching, it's kind of blending together and we're losing contrast. So to fix that, I'm going to use the selection tool set to freehand, and I'm just going to lighten those kind of troublesome areas using the hue, saturation, and brightness. And you can see it just gives it a little more contrast. Now wherever I'm getting these kind of hard edges, I'm going to again use the water blender to soften those out. Now this next part is optional, but you can see we've got the same issue with these white areas kind of blending together, the same thing that happened with the purple areas. So to kind of differentiate those, we have kind of less options, I guess. So one trick that I think works well in this case is to add a shadow there. So I'm going to make a new layer above everything. I'll select some kind of purple tone. I'll use the abstract round, and I'll do just a blob here. Then I'm going to switch back to the water blender, and at a pretty large size, I'll just kind of blend this blob around. And I want it to be very subtle, very soft, so I'm going to blend it and introduce a lot of the white in there. There we go. And then where this piece is overlapping, I can use the eraser brush to kind of cut back that soft shadow. And you can see we get a little more contrast that way. And now to finish this up, I'm going to make another new layer above everything, switch to pure black, and use the fine liner pen to add a bunch of little seeds. And it's totally optional, but I like to add a couple of very, very light gray seeds. And there we go, this simple dragon fruit illustration is all done, and here's a look at the final result. And that pretty much wraps it up. If you think I've earned it, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you're looking for another simple fruit-related painting tutorial, go ahead and check out this watermelon painting video up here.